What happens at a domestic violence bond hearing? Uh, the person charged with domestic violence is going to go in front of the judge, and the judge is going to be looking at that person and saying, is this person a flight risk? Is this person a danger? Specifically, is this person a danger to the person they're accused of assaulting in the domestic violence case? The other thing is that in South Carolina, we have these things called the Department of Victim Advocates. So you have a victim advocate who's there telling the judge what the victim in the case wants or doesn't want. So the factors there is, should there be a no contact order? In other words, should these people be allowed to live in the same house? Should they be allowed to even talk to each other over the phone? And should there be other restrictions? So somebody could be confined to house arrest. Somebody could be placed on what's called a GPS monitor or an ankle monitor to figure out where they can go and that sort of thing. The biggest thing there is the no contact order, because let's say it's a couple and they're married, and now the husband is arrested for domestic violence, and then there's a no contact order. And in most cases, there is a no contact order. If we're in the bond hearing and the wife or whoever the alleged victim is doesn't want the no contact order, then we're able to talk to the court and hopefully avoid that. But if you get out of jail and you have a no contact order, you can only go to your house to get like a suitcase, and you have to go with the police. And after that, you have to leave, and you cannot go back to your own house, and you cannot call or text or send a message to your spouse. And so that's the big part of it. And that's the part that complicates people's lives the most, because in many of these cases, it was just somebody had a bad night, and the alleged victim, the spouse, doesn't even want to prosecute the case. These people have children together, they have lives, they can't afford two households, and so that's the complicating factor. And so that's the big issue for domestic violence.